Good morning, students. Today we start with chapter Arithmetic Progression. In this chapter, we study about the arithmetic progression, shortly AP. Arithmetic progression, shortly AP. It is the list of numbers in which the difference between consecutive terms is constant. And example for AP is C 6, 9, 12 and so on. Second example -5, -1, 3 and so on. In AP we can form the general terms, and the general form of an AP is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. Here A equals first term, D equals common difference. In AP we have finite arithmetic progression. Finite arithmetic progression means AP having finite terms. Example 1, 3, 5 so on, and the last term is 19. Infinite arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression having infinite terms. Example 4, 10, 16 and so on, and the last term is not given. In AP, terms of the AP can be taken as C. First term is A or A1. Second term is A2. Third term is A3 and so on. A4, A5, etc. The nth term is denoted as AN or TN. See, now let us consider one worked example about arithmetic progression. Check whether the given situation makes arithmetic progression or not. Situation is the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is ₹15 for the first kilometer and ₹8 for each additional kilometer. In this situation, the solution is, we observe that fare for first kilometer is ₹15. Fare for second kilometer is 15 plus additional 8 kilometer, that is equal to 23 kilometer. Fare for third kilometer means second kilometer 23 plus additional 8 rupees, that is 31 rupees. So the list of numbers is 15, 23, 31 and so on. It forms AP because there is a common difference among the terms. The common difference is 8 and first term is 15. Therefore, the given situation is in AP, arithmetic progression. Okay. Consider worked example 2. In this example, write the first term and common difference for given AP 3, 1, -1, -3 and so on. So, solution. Here first term is 3. Common difference D. It is obtained by subtracting second term by first term. A2 minus A1. So, second term is 1, first term is -3, 1 minus 3 equal to -2. So, first term A is 3 and common difference D is -2. So, in this example, we can find common difference easily by taking the difference of second term and first term. Okay. Now, worked example 3. Check whether -10, -6, -2 and so on form an AP or not. Solution is first term -10, common difference second term minus first term. Second term is -6, first term is -10, -6 minus -10. Now it becomes -6, minus into minus plus, plus 10. Plus 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Or we can also calculate common difference by taking third term minus second term. Third term is -2 minus second term is -6. -2 minus into minus plus, plus 6. Plus 6 minus 2, it is also 4. So, in both the cases, common difference is 4 and it is same. Therefore, D is constant. D is constant. Therefore, it is in AP. This means the given arithmetic progression forms AP. Okay.